Setting up Spectrum in-home Wi-Fi is easy. In just a few simple steps, you'll be connected and enjoying your new service. Let's start by unpacking the kit and make sure you have instructions, a Wi-Fi router with power cord, and an Ethernet cable. Before installing the Wi-Fi router, make sure the modem is connected and activated. Unplug the power cord from the back of the modem, then plug it back in. After you plug in the modem, wait 2 to 5 minutes for it to connect to the network. You'll know it's connected when the online status light on the front of the modem is solid. Locate the Ethernet cable and connect one end to the modem and the other end to the internet port on the Wi-Fi router. Then, find the router power cord and connect one end to the Wi-Fi router and plug the other end into an electrical outlet. Wait for the Wi-Fi status light on the router to turn from flashing to solid blue. This usually takes about 2 to 5 minutes, but may take up to 10 minutes if your router requires a firmware update. Once the status light turns solid, you'll know that your router is updated and connected. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Select your default Wi-Fi network name and enter the password. Both are printed on the label on the back of the Wi-Fi router. After you've connected your device, test your internet connection by visiting spectrum.net or another website. If your device connects to the network, you're all set. If your device does not connect, the Wi-Fi router will need to be activated. To activate your service, go to spectrum.net/self-install from your smartphone, tablet, or computer and follow the on-screen instructions. You will need to sign in with your Spectrum username and password. If you haven't created one yet, click Create a Username to get started. You will need either your account number and security code or the email address or phone number associated with your account. To learn more, watch our Creating Your Username support video. Once your service is activated, your installation is complete. Now you're ready to start enjoying your Spectrum in-home Wi-Fi service. To get even more from your Spectrum service, download the free My Spectrum app to easily manage your account and in-home Wi-Fi. With the My Spectrum app, you'll be able to customize your Wi-Fi network name and password, view, pause, and manage your connected devices, such as smartphones, gaming consoles, and laptops, and make payments, troubleshoot equipment, and get quick and personalized chat support with Ask Spectrum. For more helpful support videos, visit spectrum.net/videos.